So we have a top, we have a side, we would have a functioning footstool, kinda. It wouldn't be very stable. We're going to add a toolbox underneath this whole thing. So we're going to make the two sides for the toolbox. Go up here to New, Part, choose Start 2D Sketch, and we're going to make it on the YZ plane. Right click, 2-point rectangle, click on your origin, and this is going to be 3.5, so 3.5, tab on your keyboard, has the word tab on it, and type in 18. So if you double click your mouse wheel, it'll zoom all the way out. So you have 3.5 by 18. We're going to hit E for extrude. This is going to be 0.75 again. And that's just about done. We're going to right click on this side, go to New Sketch. Right click again, choose a 2-point rectangle. We're going to make a rectangle that's half off, half on. And from the bottom of that to the top of this is going to be a 1/2 inch up, 0.5. And from the top of the rectangle to the bottom of the rectangle is going to be 0.25. It's a 1/4 inch. We're going to say from this edge of our tray to the edge of that rectangle is going to be 5/16. You can just type in fractions if you want. You don't have to know what the decimal equivalent is. And if you hit E for extrude, what we're going to do is we're going to get rid, so hit cut, but notice how it only goes to about there. If I change distance to all, it goes all the way across. Alright, so what we just did is we got this set up to where if I take this to my router, I have an 1/8 inch end mill bit that I can just run all the way across here. I can set the depth to be the right depth at 5/16 in one pass, which will have to go a little slow. Don't go too crazy with this, but it should work. We're also going to add our fillets, so get rid of those rough edges. And this shouldn't be an 1/8, it should be a 1/4. We have a 1/4 inch router bit as well that we're going to use as a roundover. I'm not going to put it on this side. I don't want to do anything to mess with the integrity of that little bit of wood that's holding up your hammers and screwdrivers and pliers and nails and whatever else. So we're just going to say OK. We're going to change the material type again from generic all the way down to cherry and say save. This is going to be tray side.